All right, morning everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Daily High. I'm your host, Tone Vase. Matt will not be joining us. He has a fight. He has a fight in less than 24 hours, I think. That today is the 4th, and he has a fight on the 5th, but he's in Dubai, so they're way ahead. They're already on the evening of the 4th. So he's 24 hours from now, he'll be fighting. I'm going to try to catch that fight. I am off to Mexico. This is going to be a super quick show. Let me go right into the charts here. Figured let me do it from a workstation instead of from the airport. And we're still keeping an eye on gold. Gold is on its third consecutive MRI top. I'm a little frustrated that it's taking gold so long to top and turn significantly down. Everybody and their mother and their grandmother and their great-great-great-great-grandmother are bullish on gold and silver. And that is why I am bearish on gold and silver. It is the most one-sided viewpoint on an asset I've ever seen in my 20-year trading career. Silver is on an MRI warning candle, so this may be the day where silver topped. I kind of wanted it to go back up. I really want to time this generational short on gold and silver. I think it's going to have a massive correction, and everyone thinks I'm wrong, which is why I continue to think that gold and silver have pretty much topped. If not yesterday, then maybe tomorrow, then maybe the next day. I don't see how gold and silver are going to be bullish next year. I just don't. I have no idea what's going to cause it to go down, but everyone who thinks it's going to go up are just going to get a megaphone and scream, it's manipulation, it's the banks, it's Jamie Dimon, it's Trump, it's the Rockefellers, it's the ghost of JP Morgan himself that has manipulated gold and silver to the downside. They should be $1 million a coin, right? So this is probably one of the most interesting assets to me at the moment. Let's see if this candle that the daily MRI top in silver will turn it all down. But now they're finally aligned. Now gold and silver are finally aligned with their MRI tops. Okay, Bitcoin. Monthly chart, not interesting. Weekly chart. Decent candle. But look, guys, the monster of resistance, is sitting between 100 and 105. That's where it is on a weekly scale. That's where it is on a daily scale. I really hope Bitcoin can make it to 100, because if it makes it to 100, we got a chance. We got a good chance that 90 will not be breached ever again. And then we can pull back to 90 and then go to new all-time highs into year-end or early next year. Not a good start to the morning, though. Let's go short-term chart. Consolidation at the top. This is bullish to me. I like it. We have now gone far enough above this blue line that we can move the blue line up and make a new one. Now, the concern on this blue line, this is my best fit line. It did have an MRI resistance line, which we broke. We kind of pierced it a bit, but I'm going to ignore this, and it also got rejected by the MRI resistance line. But here's my minor concern. This blue line already played the role of support. So because it already played the role of support, I don't want to see us come back to below 92. So we really need this 10 a.m. reversal to happen like right now, like 5-10 minutes early. So I would love to see a reversal right here, right now, going up. March 18th, still a key date. We're going to talk about it as we get closer to the date. I already talked about gold and silver. I still think Bitcoin is going to raise its dominance. This third consecutive MRI top in gold on a monthly has never happened in the history of gold. This is the first time this has ever happened. This means this is the most exponential gold has ever gone. You can see right here, gold made it to a second consecutive MRI top, and then gold was going down for 4 years until it made a bottom in 2015. It topped at a second consecutive MRI top in 2011, and then in December 2015. So exactly 4 years it took for gold to bottom. There were 2 MRI buys on a monthly scale on the way down, and there were, multiple MRI tops on the way up, right? So if we say the 2000 was the low, we had 1 MRI top, second MRI top, third MRI top, and then 4 and 5. But right here, we had an MRI warning candle, and then we had a minor break. So we had a small break in the action here. So here's the, wow, this is super fascinating, actually. Really fascinating. This candle broke the count. This candle broke the count. This would have been an 8, a green 8, a red 1, and that's a green 1 because that's a green star. So this has to be a green 2 at the earliest, right? So we missed this being a third consecutive MRI top. We missed it by 1 candle. This candle right here. This candle. Actually, it was this big green candle that kind of altered it. And if this was like a small bullish gain, this would have been the first MRI top. That would have been the second consecutive, and that would have been the third consecutive. So we were 1 candle off in this entire move. This would have been, how many candles in a row this would have been? This would have been 27 candles in a row, and that's what we just had again. We just had that right here. 1, 2, and 3. And the last time we missed this third by 1 candle in the middle of it. It was super close. So, and we have a yearly MRI top. Wow. This is also the yearly MRI top, which has only happened once before, since 1975. And look at that. It happened 1 year prior to the 2011 top. So this is why. This is why I'm bearish on gold. I mean, there's no other way to say it. How's the yearly on silver? Well, the yearly on silver hit, wow, look at that. Yearly on silver in 1980, yearly top on silver in 2011. Now, the yearly top in silver does have 2 more years. So something to keep in mind, that the yearly top on silver, man, if only it started 1 candle earlier. 1 candle earlier. How close were we? How close? Right here, this candle here. 1, 2. Oh my God. So the year of 2014, hold on. Oh, I got to check this, even though I'm late for the airport. The year of 2014 closed at $13.83. No, I'm sorry. This is the year of 2014. Closed at $15.69. $15.69. You see it right here, the C right here. Let me slide this over right there. Boom and boom. Oh, why did it change? That's weird. There we go. Oh, interesting. When I put my cursor on, oh, it gives me the current candle. That's why. Right there, you can see it. $15.69. And now if I go 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, $15.47. So this first candle could have been a green 1 candle. So 69 versus 47, 22-cent difference. That's a 22-cent difference on a $15 asset. That's what kept us from starting this trend 1 year earlier. So gold must have started in 2017 as the green 1, but silver got a late start. And that's why silver could have been on a warning candle right now this year, which is ending in less than a month. Man, these assets are so ripe for a massive correction. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. All right, guys. I got to go. I don't have time to look at any of your comments. Why we shouldn't worry about Japan? Because you want to sleep at night. Also, the path that Japan is going on, they're going to be the next Ukraine, and China is going to rip them apart. I probably should talk about that in geopolitics. Japan just elected a U.S. puppet, and her first move was to aggravate China, and then Xi Jinping calls Trump and basically tells them, get your crazy Japanese people in check before they have no country left. And let's see what Trump's going to do about it. If Japan even thinks about arming Taiwan, they'll just be no Japan. I mean, it's exactly what I said about Ukraine. And it's the same thing. It's the Ukraine playbook all over again with Taiwan. And Japan's starting to play with fire. But as far as their markets go, I don't think they're very relevant to the global economy. I just don't. I became a way better trader when I stopped caring about Japan. Later, guys.